So if you want to share an article with your students, if you navigate to it on your iPad in Safari, there's a couple of tricks to be able to do that in a nice, clean way. First, using Safari gives you the availability of reader view. And so if you're on a page with an article, you can get rid of all the distracting things on the page, the ads and other stuff, by clicking the little letters in the top left in the browser bar. Sometimes it's a few little lines there. And if you select that, you can show reader view, and you can see you get a really nice, clean article without all the distractions. From here, there's another really neat tool on the iPad. If we do a screenshot of anything, whether it's in reader view or not, of any website, press the home button and the power button simultaneously. And you'll see the screenshot thumbnail shows up on the bottom. If you tap it, it opens it. And there's something I never noticed personally. On the top, you can select either the screen itself or full page. And if you see full page, you can navigate on the right there and scroll through the entire article, not just what was showing on screen. You can also mark this up. You can see the tools at the bottom, and then share it with your students using the share square. You can save it to files, which will save it as a PDF. You can send it through Remind or email or upload it to Schoology, whatever you want to do with it. I hope this helps you.